Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we transform your creative ideas into stunning designs. Today, I'm excited to teach you how to master layers in Canva. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial will help you organize and enhance your designs. Let's dive in. First, let's open up Canva and start a new design. You can choose any template size that fits your project. For this tutorial, I'll be using an Instagram post template. Once your canvas is open, we'll dive into understanding layers. Adding and understanding layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other, each holding different elements of your design. To add an element, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar and choose from Shapes, Lines, Graphics, and more. Each new element you add will create a new layer. Organizing and arranging layers. To organize your layers, click on any element to select it. Use the position tools in the top toolbar to move the element forward or backward. This changes the order of the layers. For example, if you want text to appear on top of an image, move the text layer forward. Practical example. Let's look at a practical example. Here, I have a background image, a text box, and a graphic. By selecting the text box and clicking Forward, I can bring it in front of the graphic. Similarly, I can select the graphic and click Backward to send it behind the text. This helps create a clean, organized look. Tips and tricks. Here are some tips. Use the Lock feature to keep layers in place while you work on other elements. Select the layer you want to lock and click the padlock icon. To make complex designs easier, group elements together. Select multiple layers, right-click, and choose Group. This way, you can move and resize them as one unit. And there you have it. A simple way to master layers in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.